Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials, the place where we walk through resumes, letters, and everything in between, step by step, and always in a way that's simple, clear, and helpful. In this episode, we're going to look at how to write a resume for a remote job application. Whether you're applying to be a virtual assistant, a remote customer service rep, or any other online role, the resume you submit needs to show that you're organized, independent, and tech-savvy, because working remotely means you have to manage your tasks without constant supervision. We'll be using a sample resume from Melissa A. Turner, an experienced administrative professional looking for remote work. Let's break it down section by section so you understand what to include, how to word it, and why it matters. Let's start with the header, the very top of the resume. Melissa A. Turner, 984 Sunset Ridge Lane, Austin, Texas, 78745. Phone 512-555-7394. Email melissa.turner@email.com. Website www.melissaturnerportfolio.com. LinkedIn linkedin.com/in/Melissa Turner. This section is your digital first impression. Start with your full name, bold and in a slightly larger font so it stands out. Then include your full address, or just your city and state if you prefer. Since this is a remote job, location flexibility can be a bonus. Next comes your phone number and email address. Keep them professional. Use your name in the email address, not something casual like melissasawsome@email.com. Melissa also includes her personal website and LinkedIn profile, which is smart. A portfolio or LinkedIn gives employers a chance to see more of your work and learn about your background before even speaking with you. If you have a portfolio, a blog, or an updated LinkedIn profile, definitely link it. Next, we have the professional summary. Detail-oriented and self-motivated administrative professional with 6+ years of experience supporting teams remotely. Skilled in project coordination, digital communication, and customer service. Comfortable working independently across time zones using remote tools like Slack, Zoom, and Trello. Seeking a remote position where I can contribute my organizational and technical skills in a flexible virtual environment. This paragraph is like your personal commercial, 2 to 3 sentences that tell the employer exactly who you are and what you bring to the table. Melissa opens strong by describing herself as detail-oriented and self-motivated, 2 must-have traits for remote work. Then she adds her experience, 6+ years supporting teams remotely. That's impressive, and immediately positions her as someone who knows the ropes of online collaboration. Next, she lists specific skills: project coordination, digital communication, customer service. These show that she's not just technical, but also people-focused. She then highlights her comfort working independently across time zones and names remote tools like Slack, Zoom, and Trello. This is key. Mentioning specific platforms shows you have hands-on experience with the tools companies already use. And finally, she states her goal: finding a remote role where she can contribute her organizational and technical skills. Short, confident, and focused. This is exactly how your summary should read. Now let's go to the skills section. Remote communication, Slack, Zoom, Google Meet. Task and project management, Trello, Asana, Notion. Email and calendar management, Gmail, Outlook, Calendly. Customer support, Zendesk, Freshdesk, HubSpot, CRM. File and data organization, Google Drive, Dropbox, Excel. Time management and self-motivation, writing and editing, tech-savvy and adaptable. This section is all about what you can do. Melissa organizes her skills into categories and includes specific tools. This is so helpful for employers who are skimming resumes to find people with experience using their existing platforms. For example, if a job requires Zendesk or Notion, Melissa has that covered. And beyond just tools, she also includes soft skills like time management and adaptability, which are crucial in remote environments. When you write your own skills section, Be sure to balance technical tools with soft strengths that show you can work independently and solve problems on your own. Next up is Education, Bachelor of Arts in Communication. University of Texas at Austin, Austin, Texas. Graduated May 2017. GPA 3.6 out of 4.0. This is straightforward. Include your degree name, university, and graduation date. A GPA is optional. If it's 3.5 or above, it's usually safe to include. Because Melissa's applying for an administrative remote role, a degree in communication supports her ability to collaborate and write clearly, both of which are essential for online teams. Now let's look at the remote work experience section. This is where Melissa really shines. Virtual Administrative Assistant. CloudBridge Solutions. Remote. March 2021. Present. Manage executive calendars. Schedule meetings across multiple time zones. Coordinate weekly Zoom calls. Prepare agendas. And transcribe meeting notes. Maintain organized digital filing systems using Google Drive and Dropbox. Respond to 50-plus client emails per day with a 24-hour turnaround. Handled onboarding of 12-plus remote team members across departments. This is a strong experience section. She uses bullet points to keep things scannable and action verbs like manage, coordinate, maintain, and respond. Each point shows her core responsibilities: handling schedules, preparing for Zoom meetings, managing digital files, handling a large email volume, and even onboarding new hires. She also quantifies her work: 50-plus emails per day and 12-plus team members onboarded. Numbers help employers visualize your workload and impact. Then comes her previous role: freelance customer support specialist, remote contractor, various clients. June 2019, February 2021. Provided email and live chat support for e-commerce brands. Handled returns, billing questions, and product inquiries using Freshdesk and Zendesk. Maintained satisfaction scores above 95% over 12 months. Created Help Center articles and FAQs for client websites. Here, she highlights client communication, technical tools, and writing experience, all relevant for remote roles. The fact that she freelanced also shows independence and the ability to manage her own schedule. Now let's move to certifications. Remote Work Professional Certificate. Remote How Academy, 2023. HubSpot CRM for Customer Support. HubSpot Academy, 2022. Time Management for Remote Teams. LinkedIn Learning, 2022. Certifications are a great way to show ongoing learning. These ones are perfect for remote work. They show she's taken time to develop skills specific to online environments, including remote communication, CRM systems, and time management. You can find free or low-cost certifications on sites like LinkedIn Learning, HubSpot, Coursera, and Google. Include any that match the role you're targeting. Next is the Remote Work Environment section. This is optional, but in remote jobs, it can give you an edge. Fully equipped home office with high-speed internet. Dual monitor setup with noise-canceling headset. Comfortable with independent work, daily reporting, and virtual team tools. This tells the employer that she's already set up and ready to go. Many companies want to know if you have a quiet space, strong internet, and the ability to work without constant supervision. This little section can boost confidence in your application. And finally, we end with references. References. Available upon request. Short, professional, and standard. You don't need to list names unless asked. Just make sure you actually have 2 to 3 references ready, preferably supervisors or clients you worked with in remote roles. So let's wrap up with a quick recap. A great resume for a remote job includes a clean and professional contact section, a short, tailored professional summary, a skills list packed with tools and traits related to online work, an education section with relevant degrees, specific, measurable remote work experience, certifications that show continuous learning, a brief look at your remote setup, and a line for references. Keep the layout simple, use bullet points, Always customize your resume for the job description. And most importantly, highlight the skills that show you can work independently, manage time effectively, and communicate clearly online. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more resume and application breakdowns. Drop a comment below if you'd like to see a version of this resume for remote writing, tech support, or virtual marketing roles. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck with your remote job applications.